What's up? We've got a 2005 Camry. One of the license plate lights is out, so I'm going to show you guys how to get to it. You have to remove this backing here. I'm using a knife. There's a special tool made for these plastic clips that would be better to use, but for me the knife is working. Once you pop all of these out, you can pull the trim away. There's one by this lever. Not really sure how I deal with that. I guess it just pops around it. It pops out. So yeah, you've got this out, and you've exposed the two license plate sockets. You just rotate it, and there's the bulb. Got the new bulb. And before I put all this back together, I'm gonna make sure that it works. Looking real good. So to get this back in, you rotate it to the right. I'll leave that out for now. It's hard to do this one-handed.